Hi, my name is Sanjay Narvekar. I'm a product manager in the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure team. In today's video, I will be showing you a demo of how to recover an autonomous data warehouse from a backup. I've already logged in into my console. I will click on this menu icon and then click on Autonomous Data Warehouse, and that will bring me to this page. I'll select an existing autonomous data warehouse and click on backups, and just to show you how easy it is to recover from a backup, I'll select the latest backup and click on restore and click on the restore button. So once the restore process starts, this database state will change from available to restore in progress, and this process should take a few minutes depending on how large your database is. I will pause this demo for a few and get back once this backup restore has completed successfully. Welcome back. You can see that the autonomous database now has been restored successfully from a backup. This concludes today's demo of restoring an autonomous database warehouse from a backup. Thanks for watching.